What do you want to watch? Yeah. See? I feel like this pig is like my life minus 25 kids. Stay at home mom life. Yeah, I feel you, girl. Emma, what are you doing? You're falling back asleep. Oh, someone's awake. Yep. Hey, good morning. Có sợ thế hả? What are you singing? That's so cute. Always want to sit with me. So cute. Seriously, girl? Oh no. Okay, my naked kids. Y'all can't be naked anymore. We gotta go tala. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Some more. Okay, you done, girl? No? Okay.
Yeah!
Sorry, some more. Some more, hurry. Wash eye. Cha. Have to change diaper again because somebody decided to poop. Yep. So, if you don't know, I cannot stand the smell of their poop, so I still have to do this. It's hilarious, but it is what it is. Yeah, come here. guess you could wear that one. I wanted the other diaper. The other one. With the other diaper. Girl, I was telling this one right here. Purple. Purple. Yeah. Come on, let's go find clothes. Let's go find clothes. Let's go find clothes to wear. Or not. Yay for laundry. Okay, what do you guys want to wear? Another mom confession. Yep. I'm sure I'm not the only one who does this. What do you want to wear?
I want that.
Hmm?
I want that. There. That smells good. Yeah. That smells good. That smells good.
Okay. What does it smell like? Detergent.
Meow.
Huh? Not your top.
Meow. Meow.
No. Wrong side. Good. You want to wear that pants? Yeah. What you know? Come here. Come here. Y'all,
Let me go home. Let me
somebody
go
just spilled water on the couch.
home.
Yeah.
Let me get something else.
What did you say?
Say sorry.
Oh, it's okay. Just an accident. Hold on. Wrong side. Yeah. Not even out of the house yet, and I am beat already, y'all. I'm so tired. Dang kids. Can't see what?
Yeah. That wants to go right here, and that wants to go right here.
Oh, dang it. Yeah. Are y'all ready?
Yeah, are you ready, Mommy?
I'm ready. Are y'all ready?
Yeah!
Chloe, you ready? Okay, let's go. Yeah, which one you want? You want the green one? No? You want clip? Okay. So we just got done with Walmart and oh my god, they are so horrible. Okay, it's on advertisement, y'all. Commercial. Okay, just be patient. We just got home and what do you know? Miss Chocolate Face and Miss Bubblegum Ball. Yep. Kids. Okay, usually when they go down for a nap, I usually nap with them after I finish cleaning their mess and do a little chore. So I'm gonna do that now. girl? You're supposed to be napping. Hmm? Animal? Trying to change subject. I was gonna nap, but then I have to stay up and keep on.
But I was gonna add. Can we just get out and I get the teddy bear?
Oh, so you're confessing now.
Yeah.
Hurry, take out your passy. Có bật chân nhá, chưa? I'm trying to do dinner and I got these two on my tails. They won't go away. I did not know Instagram had this focus. Like, it blurs out the background. That's pretty cool. That's pretty awesome. I like it. I just told Carter not to spill his drink, and look what just happened.
Yeah. It was me.
It's okay. So they're fighting over the toys I bagged up for Goodwill. Yep, they took these toys out. So, yeah. Chloe, where your eyes go? Oh, there it is. Oh my god. Wait, don't push my Chloe. Don't do that. That's not nice. I forgot to show you guys earlier, but I took out the trash. Chúng mình từ husband đâu nhá mà cái kia mà nhà đi nhà. Đuôi. I guess I'm gonna tackle these laundry or wash. They're all washed. Just need to be folded, put away. Yay. What are you two doing? Where are your guys' eyes? Sophia, where are your eyes? Chloe, where are your eyes? Hi girls. Bông ạ. Tụi mấy bông ạ. No jumping. Night night. Go. Good night, y'all. See you tomorrow. So I'm exhausted. Super tired, but I'm gonna hop in a shower